Hey YouTube fam, blessed day to you. Hope you're having a beautiful day. And we hope that when you get to watch this little video, it may find you on the fam bam. Everything is good. We're going on a little road trip today. I want to see how my dress do. Yeah. We are going down at that place. So I'm on the road and I'll be just showing you little snippets as we go along until we reach down at that place. And all of that. Thanks for loving, thanks for supporting. And I'll catch you again with another clip as we go on this little road trip today. Okay, so we are on our way. Where we there? In a Clarendon, we're there, yeah. We are into one tool there. I haven't been on this. I've been down here since. Yeah, we come down here since them tool here. Then they just have me come down. Yes, I haven't been down here since all of this. But we are entering one toll road here now with a family. We are got that place to be exact. St. Bess. We don't never see we got that place yet. So we are got St. Bess here now. So we are go through one toll here now. And all of that. So as we go along, I'll give you little snippets. I not come here so a lot of times, but I haven't been here in about 16 years. So at that place we are going now. So we catch you now. St. Bess we say. Yeah, okay? So we're past the toll now and we're heading further down into Clarendon. But not to the land, I love down here. I tell that long time, say I love down here. Heading straight in a Clarendon. Yeah, we are going in a Clarendon here now. I haven't been down here, as I said before, like in 16 years. This is a new so this is a new toll road going into Clarendon. Yeah, and I think I'm enjoying the ride already. I really love down here. Each time that they carry me down here, I always say I'm like down here. So I don't get so much should have build house, but nevertheless we might start build one today when we reach down there. That has a lot of flat land. Yeah, no hill and gully. Yeah, and you can pick up the internet good down here. So you see, it's I will part this with the chair. Clarendon, yeah. Oh yeah, so does it so. Okay. And to the side over there, you can see, yes, Master America with a foreign road there. Yeah, a foreign road we have, yes, so. No, sir. Gonna comment and tell me if you don't like it. Yeah. Woodley Estate. What have you? So. Yeah, man, I will if a road work are going down here, so. Yeah, really lot of road work going on down here. So. Looking good. I'll catch you in the next clip. Yeah, you see the new highway? Yeah, you see the truck them line up over there. I'm gonna look at work over there. Cause on the old MP if I buy the deer or the fan. That's you buy the deer. But that is what is happening down here. Lots and lots of road work, man. So what the highway then you tell me?
I guess you highway.
Oh, that's like a new leg. Continuation line. Okay.
That's why I go right to Williams.
Oh. So that me I show no and that talk. But me they come. I don't know where I go but me love it. I think me I come up tonight, but kinda like it. It's really nice though. I've always loved coming to St. Elizabeth. If you're watching this video and you're from St. Elizabeth, type up St. Bess in the comment section. Tell me if you love down here. I love St. Mary, I don't know my first priority. But I really love St. Elizabeth. When I met Dad and he take me down here, but tell him I love down here. And that time I did all bad road, don't it?
Yeah.
The road is bad, but I just loved it because we never have the winding corners like St. Mary. Yeah. Milk River Hotel and Spa that we are in towards. Next clip. So we are at Juicy Beef in Clarendon. I remember here so vividly. I remember here so even though it's after 16 years. Family has 16 years when Colbian was 4 I come here. So when we are go down, remember? At 16 years I come down here. So look. juicy beef early in a Sunday morning. I saw it stay at Clarendon. So I know maybe Cobb want to get something, but this don't look like coffee now. This don't look like coffee now. But now I get so much vehicle up that then the line in there must long. So okay, she'll be going to get something to eat. I'm not sure if she'll go get you because in there look really packed. Trust me, honestly. But we'll see.
Yes, family, we are in Porus, heading towards Williamsfield, and then we'll be back and some well, I call it good road again. Where we are driving now, the road a little bumpy. Then so we go back on the new highway. So we'll show you a little better on the highway. Still porous, still in porous.
Okay.
Heading on to Williamsfield.
So they reach out a porous thing.
Yeah,
So this is our Manchester.
Manchester.
Oh, like a remote part of Manchester is. Oh. I like it. Like I always like a country thing. I don't know, you're a country girl.
Then we reach Mandeville, then we go towards Mandeville.
The boss.
Boss of Manchester.
Boss of Manchester, Mandeville.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna make a stop on a Manchester round in cousin. So that come from Brook Parish. And now bash St. Mary, you know.
St. Mary no good.
St. Mary nice man, I true, you know. But we all got a good up part one time. I come from the remote part, but I still like it. Cool and nice, and but you know down here, so it's more like a town then, you know.
Yeah, commercial.
Yeah,
nice.
you know, really miss nothing.
St. Mary a farming.
Yeah, you know, hear my man say it's a virgin parish.
Yeah.
Farming parish, man.
Parish.
Yeah, nice lush green vegetation. As you drop a seed, it grow himself. Yeah, but I always love down here. Raes police station. Yeah, you can see that, but you go to town at night. One time when I come to St. Elizabeth, years it take for reach. Remember the when they left out early a one time. I think Jamaica has come a long way though. Remember, you left out when you left like one day and spent 2 days. I don't know if you're alive or if you're dead. Because there was no phone, not all, and me have to just wait till me see you come back.
Right.
And when you come back, me I say, what time you left country? Yes, you left how much? At 3, 4 o'clock in the evening.
Yeah.
That time we got St. Elizabeth, no? So we are go up the hill there, so now Melrose bypass.
Yeah.
Winston Jones Highway.
Right.
You. Alright. So I want a serious piece of road this year, you know. This road is not a road to play around. Be yourself and easy and wait. Yeah. I think I remembered here. Did I say road fix the road better? Same way. But it look like you recently did something funny, but you really kind of bumpy.
Highway here now.
Oh, this is a new highway.
Yeah.
Okay. You see it, you feel the difference. You feel the difference. Oh, so which highway? What's the highway name? Tell the people then. Same Winston Jones Highway.
Continuation of the highway coming out
From wherever.
Yeah, from
Oh.
St. Catherine's.
So I have to tell them say yeah, eat a patty and it's a bad that you can't talk. Oh, but it's nice. Winston. This is still Winston Jones Highway? No, it's not. Yes. Okay. St. Elizabeth Red. I wouldn't reach a St. Elizabeth, but it's the red dirt there. Nice road, nice. Let me fix it nice. So that's it.
Come on.
It's all hill going up.
Yeah.
Oh. All the St. Elizabeth people, no comment. Or no come a yard beside them. I road down, no come drive pan. Yeah. But not have none of this at St. Mary yet. Then so them soon come fix it up there. That them send me here. But we not really have them here from a road them bad, but yeah, this is nice. Yeah. So when we come off of this now, where do we land? Where do we end up?
Mandeville.
Mandeville. Okay. On
The
the
highway
winds.
soon done still.
The area is soon done. So when I think when coming down this is not, you don't play with this when coming down, no?
Roast yam.
Rosie, but I not see nobody out there. Yeah, remember over there, so but them not come out yet.
People over there.
But I see that what I remember right there, so I remember right there. But when we did stop and buy this piece of road they never fixed, so yeah. Oh, so that was some years ago. Yeah, I remember when we did buy the Rosie when we were coming back. Yeah, the last time I come. See it over there, so that's to the side over there. Beautiful scenery, beautiful scenery. St. Elizabeth where I go. St. Elizabeth was set, but we not did there yet. Yeah. Well, it's the breadbasket parish. Yeah, but we not think we are gonna end there. The south side, we're not gonna end there. We're not gonna end there. Not today, maybe one day. Oh yeah, so we soon done the long man. Good God, Jesus. Yeah, if you have good vehicle to execute them and place your money for the road. If the vehicle are overheat and a good speed, you can come and something. It's nice and it's like not so busy today. And look over there. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. Yep. Nice. Nice, nice. It's really nice. And it's not too hot out here. Cool, man. It's not too hot out at all. I guess we're going to be done the highway now. Yeah. Next clip.
Yes, we are on our way now to Mandeville town, big shopping district of Manchester.
Alright. We just start listening to Paris. I'm family because I cannot say much because I told you I'm not familiar. I come down here a few times, but years ago, so I can't say nothing. So now I have to listen to Dad. But I can't show no St. Mary now. No, I can't tell you everything about this. So you gotta listen to Dad. So big shopping district we are in for.
Yeah, man.
But today is Sunday, so maybe the shopping so the hustle and bustle might not be not be there.
Good.
Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, nice houses on both sides and new development, new everything. It's just nice. It's just a breath of fresh air.
Cool,
Yes.
Mandeville.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yes, man. Take your time, driver. Don't stop at all. Take your time. Go down the hill. Beautiful. It's just beautiful. Wow. Yes. Yes, so we are head down in it now. Oh, yes. Come on, girl. Show them all about. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So Dad come from Ati Parish. How do they say you come from Ati Parish? Yeah. They say you come from Ati Parish. Yeah. But yeah, let's come look for your old people them back down here. You're a good boy. You never normally, you're not one of them who run away, left your parish and not come back. Yeah, big up all of the Mandeville people them. What you come back and look for the old people them down here. Come down the hill, big and serious.
No. Mandeville Square.
Mandeville Square.
Mandeville Town Center.
So we not
Courts,
pass.
the courts over there, so.
Your course look like I go eat this so. Nobody go how kind of business then do? How was it through them popular? Mandeville Town Center. No, this is the so we pass out of town already.
Go right round there.
So when we pass out this, so I never hit town.
market district or something. Yeah, man. So, you know, we stop at one of my family in Mandeville here. So, maybe I'm little farm, you know. Because, not because, you know, but everybody have to do all the thing for themselves. So, I'm going to stop at one of my farm. Yeah, man, how pretty things them is. You know. Yeah. And him saying get rain, so the thing there's just look green and luscious, man. I tell you. Them have all kind of yam here. So, you have yellow yam, you have renta yam, you have cassava, you know. All different kind of things him have in his farm and so. Man, Cyril. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See my volume cassava here, so too. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Yeah, this them says walnut. What walnut good for?
No nuts, man.
Nuts. Okay.
Expensive nuts,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, sir.
I hit this. Them thing here.
They look around, yeah.
Them little round thing here.
Yeah, man. Just pick them up. Pick them up and put them in there, man. You have to take them and mash them, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And you get the look on the total.
Okay. Hold up, down.
I hold it already.
Mm-hmm.
What's your walnuts
One
in our this with the Manchester?
Manchester.
We are by dad's cousin.
Mm-hmm.
So them crack it out there.
We take up from here, man.
No flavor. Yeah. But almond not have much of a flavor neither.
You don't have any mag in there?
We have pick up some. This is so cool.
You put them in dry?
Yeah, you have to put these make them dry, just like when I take up almond.
Okay.
It's flavorless though.
You come like almond.
Yeah, come here, it's almond, yeah. It's when we know almond.
Almond.
When we there country, we pick up almond and we
Making drops.
yeah, and we eat it's the outer part of the almond before you reach to the nut. We used to eat it
Yeah.
when it's ripe. Remember
Yeah, man. Yes, man.
yeah. I'm not sure them almond and St. Mary.
You try the saucy.
Yeah.
You eat the
The yellow
The
part,
yellow part
of it.
yeah.
That's
And
why
when
you-
it opens inside of it, it is
red.
red and it's not bitter.
And you
It's
suck out the
sweet.
seed.
Yes.
All right.
And it's all the leafy part of it, so it bitter. All the beauty. All the beauty. Good God we serve. So we went up on something.
Pick them up, man.
Walnuts. Comment and tell me if any of you know about walnuts in Jamaica. I didn't know about that. It's really, yeah. I can't. We keep saying town and a town with there again. It's flavorless though, but it's when we got them, we did get some walnuts, don't we? Oh, come on, time.
You see it? You see it? You want one like a knife with a point?
Yeah, and pull
and
it out.
And take time, take it out.
Okay.
Oh,
When they? Him now
Gerald.
come out. Here.
she. And then now you put it, spread it out on the counter and make it, or you can patch it. Don't.
No, man. Here.
Welcome to Spur Tree. Spur Tree. Heading towards St. Bess. Best in the business.
Sell it to them, let me see at your place. Me can't sell them nothing. Tell them where you're there.
Go Spur Tree.
And I eat it. Yeah, St. Elizabeth
So
down
you
the
can look over now, you can sit down in the St. Elizabeth
Yep.
Valley,
Yep.
right below us.
Driver, take your time down here. Not true. day the driver here alone come to me, that's all. You know, you come to Marcel, so.
Deep corner here.
That's the corner. Of all corners where enough of people can negotiate. But if you take your time, you'll negotiate it.
Gone straight across the road.
Cross the road. But that must speed it, that's any cross the road. Take your time, man. Lenton Bertha Poetry Hill. Oh, says that, I say so. So you're getting the side view now. You're getting a side view. You got a good little run at a frontal view, so we are getting by the side, going down by that now. Yup. You run here, I get hungry, too fried dumpling, come out them. Where we are go food there, Daddy?
Okay.
Food there where we are going.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so that's how we are look over in a St. Bess?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Okay. From the side now, fam, you're looking down into St. Elizabeth. It's beautiful, though.
Yeah.
Really beautiful. Yeah. It's nice. Sun is not too hot. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Big up on yourself, St. Elizabeth people. All of my St. Elizabeth peeps wanna know what this? Comment. Big up on yourself. From Mandeville to St. Elizabeth. Big up on yourself. No have gold going on down here. Matter of fact, Jamaica is gold. Jamaica is so nice. There's not a lot of traffic out today. I'll back to the frontal, back to the front, back to the frontal view. Going down, down. Yep. That's him before we are there itself. Because the one in a green car, so we think you reach Moby already. Oh my God.
You're nice, girl.
I sell them nights ago. Let's go get one of them.
That's all.
Fresh melon. I don't buy it. I don't want it. Miss
Worst melon.
Next to the next side there now. It's a beautiful view when you're coming down here, though, looking down into St. Bess. She not getting to the other side now. Big up on the south, St. Elizabeth people. Big up on the south. Yeah. Spam up the comment section with the St. Bess people them. You know, St. Elizabeth people, they're a very kind set of people. They're very loving. That we realize. They're so loving. It's a very loving set of people them. Always here, I'm come from against a few. I'm kind of really find that. Keep down here. Up on yourself. So the either don't know what still sport real this? Another deep corner. Okay, it's cool right here though, it's not attic cool.
Cool, yeah.
It's cool today, really cool. Junction St. Elizabeth. Okay. Junction St. Elizabeth. All of the junction people in the comment section, pick up on yourself. Is he not gonna stop? Yeah. So we passed the bread basket side, but we never get. I think we didn't capture that, and then we never carry the basket to get some of the bread. That's the part where they do a lot of farming with the scallions and stuff. And yeah, when we got junction, they say turn left, right?
Right.
Okay, beautiful. May I learn? I'm learning, family. So, how far are you from me now? Okay. I don't know, it's not something that's complicated to look like it kind of.
Easy.
Yeah, so which part we then? What we then?
Here's Washington.
Ocean. Okay, so we came through Junction, then we passed Peppers, then Goshen. Big up all of Goshen people, big up on yourselves, come up the comment section. If you're watching this vlog and you're from Goshen, St. Elizabeth, Spam up the comment section. Big up on yourself. If you're going to church there, big up on yourself. Goshen Church. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Yeah, St. Elizabeth with that. Yeah. Okay, St. Elizabeth with set. Alright. Going down. Down, 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 down. Alright, no. Still going down. Nice buildings, yeah. I still Goshen with it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Beautiful. So, uno see some come at St. Elizabeth. Uno now look for some St. Elizabeth, you know. No, some surprise, you know. Yeah, yeah, man, that place. But I haven't been down here in years. Since YouTube never come to us. That come all the while. That no. That no. But I remember coming down here. She would remember, she too smart. Oh, you come 2 weeks ago. Me shame. Me shame. Shame.
Right here, so them drive.
Me shame. Yeah, shame me on the camera. Mm-hmm. I can just straight go out in the turn of the road to go to your place.
Yeah.
Nice view. Nice. And right down here, so look like they get to rain few days to man. Because it's not dry to all that. Huh? I smell one more. But actually it's not smelling bad though. That's so far and I am a little journey. The walnut or bubble one, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Over the saw we know. I don't know over the saw. Yeah, land, they might give a free land over there. Sure. Hey God. Where we at now? Eh? We soon turn off a guy your place of business. Eh?
Yeah.
Here, indicator. Yeah. So. I made it a bit as I left. Okay. So we return. Where did we return?
Here's the name again.
So we are headed up now.
Yeah, going towards Raes.
Oh, Raes River. Okay, okay. So we're actually going through Raes River now, right? Raes River district. So big up on yourself for the yard or abroad. When you watch this video, if you are from Raes River, big up on yourself, manners and respect. Raes River district, that's where we're going through right now. Yeah, big up all of the Raes River people, them. Yup. Raes River, St. Elizabeth. One thing we noticed though, each parish have the name of some of the district. They be know, you know? We have Zanil and St. Mary, and in other parishes you have Zanil and Flint River. You know, I don't know why, but I never hear about Raes River nowhere else. We have more Raes River than any other parish. Yeah. But nice. Then down a river there, Raes River. Wow, nice to go this. Yeah man, cool off the eat. Raes River people pick up themselves once more. Spam up the comment section so that they come from. Start this one on a local district. Yeah. Yeah, big up on the camera, you know. Yeah. Nice to go. I take out the main road is. Another main road is?
Yep.
Yeah. Nice. Nice to go
Right
right
back
this
to
one. Eh, to where we come from?
Yeah. Right
Oh,
back to
very
one.
juicy, I say. But the Raes River you not go on bad run, you look good, me like it. Raes River no look good, me like it. See, I look a country something. You not go on good. Nice houses. Both sides of the road. You can put yourself Raes River. Sad, don't you look nice? I gotta say
Or no. The square.
Eh?
The square.
Yeah. Anyway, people are not that nice across from here. See, there's the big sign there. Raes River. Welcome to Raes River. Healing, Balaclava. St. Elizabeth was there. St. Elizabeth was there. Right.
Church.
Still in Raes River Basic School. Allow me with that far. You remember which school on the son we got Raes River Basic School? Over there look good, I want to fix up. So I don't tell them to come help fix it up. But over there look nice. Pick up yourself if you remember the days when you're going to the basic school at Raes River. Yeah. Pick up on know my always I said, don't forget where you come from. Yeah. And I come from down here, you know. I mean, I be good up. So pick up on yourself. What is our Raes River Entertainment Center?
All kind of things.
Yeah, I could call it Raes River Entertainment Center.
Community. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Raes River Community Center, big up. Raes River Primary, 2 primary school you have?
No, 1 primary school.
Oh, the basic school with the pass?
Yeah.
Alright, Raes River Primary. Pick up on yourself for there you go. If you have your kids or grandkids going there now. We just passed Raes River. There your place is. Onto that place, we are going onto that place now. Over there now, Georges Valley. Yeah, Georges Valley people big up on yourself. The mountains are beautiful though. Really beautiful. You know, see the length and breadth of St. Elizabeth though. That's a little part. Nice, nice. It's beautiful. Oh, it's St. Elizabeth sweet. It's nice. And the weather, you know. It's not bad at all today. Not too much of a sun. Yes, so at this moment we are heading on to Dad's place of birth, where Dad come from at St. Elizabeth, and there we are go. Yeah. Look me are go on. Me I leave you for comment. Out of me and St. Mary and where Dad live, you not tell me. I don't know. Comment and tell me which place you prefer. I've walked this?
Yeah,
Georges Valley Church.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. But you know, these people don't come to church today. What happened? Yeah, beautiful. So, we're heading on to...
You know, if we're in that church.
Don't know what time now. Church is not going now. Yeah, we are heading on. It's like a little stretch of districts. Farm. So, at the first one I see, when we did see the one like a piece of flag already, but the people have not seen nothing.
Another church again.
Not a Seventh-day Adventist church.
And that church is something that didn't have in the church now.
The guy there.
Yeah.
Like over there. Yeah, nice. Wow. Big stretch. That must have been them landed just like Eagle did.
Just Eagle.
No man, they don't have some housing scheme over there.
Over there is a pure Aki
Aki.
plantation.
Okay, dokie now. So we are going to Dad's district now. Red Grove, St. Elizabeth. That's where Dad is from. So side. So we are gonna show you the local road we head up in a Red Grove. I don't know I come from Louisburg. See that tree to be exact in the middle of, see that tree. I don't know if I'm meeting already. So this is Dad's now. Dad I head up in a district. So that's a side view. And the town in a district that head to, right?
Yeah, man. Bogue, carry.
Oh, that carry go Bogue.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll get the frontal view now. We are go up at that place. Yeah, up to Red Ground, that place I did that come from. Big up on yourself, Red Ground people, all the Red Ground people. Wanna know watch this video? Spam up the comment section. Big up Dad. That is from Red Ground, St. Elizabeth. So up there we are going now. Yeah. So we're taking you along. You see how the road look, I go up a Red Ground from St. Elizabeth. And I must say, that from St. Elizabeth, me from St. Mary. So, we take our time and go on. But Dad, the road not tree bad. Not tree.
Bush the road.
Bush the road.
Yeah.
Bush the road. It look better than some part of it. They might go on with a little thing up off it. But the truck, they could have come on here good, not true.
Yeah,
They have no problem
man.
come around here. So. The truck they were made that show no day that they only got St. Mary. And if they show no them the drama, the truck nearly got gully. I chop big, he couldn't negotiate some of the corner them. But God had us, we went and it was okay. So, red ground, I know you did. They are further up here, go.
Further up.
Okay. But there was a waterfall up there. It's still up there?
Yeah, man, it's still that dry up.
That not dry up. So that have a nice waterfall. Up the hill to red ground. Yeah, that place. That go look for him grandmother and him mother. Him old people there. You look for your father too?
Yeah, man, everybody.
Everybody.
Although them dead and gone.
Yeah, but we don't know. Them know say them not alive, man. Them know them not alive. They could be still. Now your grandmother did live to she at 102, so. Oh, I don't remember nowhere up there, so honestly I do.
Eh? Oh.
Yeah, but where you say, where that say what? The road not tree bad at all.
Good.
Road not tree bad. Don't say it good. Because people put up a block and so things bad, they want to start the little house, but
Can't start.
yeah, them are going to start, man. We are pray for Easter. Yeah. Up a red ground we say. You know, if you go down, if you go up a year part.
We have to check Barry first.
Alright.
I tell you no.
Remember, say only part time dry, you know. So we'll stop here so fairly good time. Internet good up here, you know. So guys, we are at Dad's place, a whole place this. Anybody want land for buy a St. Elizabeth? This is such a nice old spot. Eh? So we take the time, go up the hill. So Dad hasn't been down here in a while. And so nothing they know in this. Nice piece of flat land. Yeah. Okay. But then kind of bushy outdoor. Yeah, but back up but on the front part, yeah, so. Yeah. A whole heap of flat land that have long as St. Elizabeth here. Red dirt, you know, you not even carrying a bag for we get pick like dirt in there. Let me look on the ackee paddy out them big, that ackee tree. Wow, they are so huge. Yeah. So from down there, so if you come way up here, so back over in a gully there. That then what is? And a fever grass that?
Where?
Over there, so?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're going like you know have it down here. Well, if you did come on next week, so you'd have ackee.
Line, yeah.
Alright, family, see the jack in the bush here? I want no ticks now over in there, and I go broke some other bush here. Jack in the bush this. I years me not drink this at tea and then Terren. Oh, you come from down here, so I not chat about say you know Jack in the bush this man?
No, I think we never have them as tea bush.
What?
We never have them as tea bush.
See all the sage here. See, me don't know if I black. No, this is a jack in the bush too. Broke some of something there now. Somebody, why something name? I that you pass the why name? But we never get none of yard where there, the fever grass.
Wait there, no?
No, you know say yeah, the fever grass. Me I jump broke some of my jack in the bush. A long, when me tell you say long time, me not drink some jack in the bush tea. You're not a real countryman, you know. You're no countryman. I don't know nothing about that. Me I go down there go ask the lady. Me know a jack in the bush this. Well, make them tan there town Blossom. Make them tan there town after them. Make them tan there. Blossom, me nah have them here breed a flat land here. And me nah have one little room or two panima. Sorry. He up there side but me them know him I do up there side.
Hey, me have niece at home.
Mm-hmm.
Me have nephew
What is
at
a red
home.
answer?
Me have sister at home.
Mm-hmm.
You name it.
Mm-hmm.
You see from Price Lane come now. Kenny in Avenue.
All both.
A Churchill Avenue.
Yeah, so we are come down from off of the hill of our dad. We are come down off a red ground hill. Yeah, we are take with time. Road kind of like a bumpy, but see the vehicle them up here there. I don't tell a lie, me like it. I don't mind. I must show me a girl who come from country.